What's up guys, in today's video, we're going to the birthplace of rebuild projects. That's right, Insurance Auto Auctions. And guess what? We're not leaving today without a project car. I've got a list of a few cars that I wanted to see here, some of which are cheap and have good flip potential. Others are really nice off-road rigs or even drift cars. But most of these I haven't even seen yet, so let's just walk through and check out some rigs. I don't think I've seen one of these in person until right now, and boy, it looks good with this color and body kit on it. And I bet this thing is someone's drift project. Yep, it's even got a hydro e-brake in there. I'm not sure what's going on with this seat, and the inside looks pretty dirty, but I'm sure it's nothing that I can't fix. This Chevy S10 would be a pretty cool beater truck to run parts or something like that. And there's plenty of these little trucks like Ford Rangers and oh, there's even a new Ranger. But it's just not doing it for me. Oh, this is more like it. Dang, I'm not a huge Ford guy, but this thing looks insane. Who knows how the bidding will go today? I could leave with this thing on my trailer. The main reason I came was to check out this GMC Canyon, which is basically just a Chevy Colorado. It's got a diesel in it and would make a great daily driver. I saw some of these pictures online and the thing has clearly taken a ton of damage. It's just sitting on the ground without a wheel, no jack or anything. That can't be good. The inside looks sick. There's a few Subarus here. Oh, this red WRX looks pretty sick. But if you've been watching the channel, you know I already got one of these. And dang, that front end took a good hit. Okay, we got a 350 here. Look at that. That right there. It may be worth rebuilding. So it's manual. It's got a sick interior, and it comes with a bunch of parts, so that's good. So far, this is looking too nice. Okay, that frame is super bent up on both sides, so I don't think it's going to be worth bidding on, but who knows? The engine looks good, besides some pulley damage, and it's an HR model. Check out this Jeep. It's so dirty inside that I would have to buy it just for the detail content alone. End Democrat violence. There's nothing like ending violence in a violent way. Oh, the irony. Here's yet another Subaru. This one's whacked pretty hard too. It says leaks and do not start, so I'm not really gonna mess with it. This model is kind of plain for me anyway, but it would bring a good amount on the resale market. I could look at rigs all day. In fact, I did. But at the end of the day, I came to leave with one car, so it's time to get to bidding. I got into some bidding wars, and when the dust settled, yup, the Z is the next project on this channel. This Z was going for a decent price, so I had to bid on it. And I ended up winning. Looking at it again here, I have no clue what I'm gonna do with it. But we'll have to figure out a way to get it fixed up. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around to see how this project pans out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace. Click one of those videos in front of you.